In today's video, I'll show you how to create a reusable template in Canva perfect for social media, business projects, or personal designs. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe if you love learning simple design hacks like this. To begin, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, use the search bar at the top and type template. You'll instantly see a huge variety of professionally designed templates, from flyers and resumes to social media posts and invitations. Take a moment to browse and choose a template that fits your project. Once you've found the perfect one, click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now comes the fun part. Make it your own. Change the text to match your message. Switch up the fonts and tweak the colors to fit your brand or style. You can also upload your own images or pick from Canva's massive photo and element library to give your design a unique touch. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then select Template Link to turn your design into a reusable template. This allows others or future you to use it again without altering the original version. And that's it. You've just created your own Canva template. Quick, easy, and ready for endless reuse. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.